All right, so there are two tiny modular cameras gearing up for launch soon, and honestly, things are about to get really interesting. I'm talking about the Insta360 GO Ultra and the DJI Osmo Nano. Yeah, both are small, wearable style action cams, but they're going in totally different directions. Let's start with the GO Ultra. This thing, it's noticeably bigger than the GO 3S. Instead of that super compact capsule style look people loved, this one's more of a squarish block and almost double the height. And let's just say not everyone's thrilled. A lot of users are already side-eyeing the size because when you hear GO, you think ultra portable, tiny, invisible. Something you forget is even on you. The Ultra? Not so much, but there's a reason for the size jump. It's probably packing a bigger battery, a larger sensor, and better cooling under the hood. Rumor is we're getting 4K at 60 FPS, possibly way better low light performance, and better waterproofing, maybe IPX8. You'll also notice a little LED for recording status, both on the camera and its magnetic screen pod. So yeah, this one's definitely targeting creators who want premium quality, even if it means a slightly chunkier setup. Now let's talk about the DJI Osmo Nano. And this one's kind of giving GO 3S replacement energy more than competition to InstaZone Ultra. It's tiny, like clip it to your shirt and forget it's there, kind of tiny. From the leaked images, it looks like it'll magnetically snap onto clothes or gear, super minimal and perfect for first-person creators who just want to hit record and live their life. And even though we don't have full specs yet, expectations are high. Think AI-powered stabilization, seamless magnetic accessories, maybe even support for DJI's wireless mic system. There's also talk it might sync with DJI drones for POV aerial shots, which, okay, that would be wild. Both cameras come with their own screen modules, magnetic, of course, that add more battery controls and a bigger display when you need it. But here's the thing, because the GO Ultra is already kind of big, that whole setup ends up being pretty bulky. With the Osmo Nano, the base camera stays super compact even with the screen module attached. So yeah, if you're into lightweight, slap it on and go cameras, DJI might just steal the show, but if you want the best possible quality from a small cam, even if it's a bit chunkier, the Insta360 GO Ultra could be the one to watch. Let's see how this showdown plays out, because either way, we're getting some seriously cool new toys. Can't wait to see what both can do out in the real world. Until then, take care and peace.